Okay. Yeah. So this is Marcel, Mr. Slouchy, or Lee. God, so it's like 12 in the morning, but I'm fucking bored as hell. So I'm trying to, make a tutorial. I wanted to do, atonal chromatics. Um, so yeah, uh, hold on. Sorry, I'm literally just trying so hard to think of what I should use. Let's use flex, floor shakers. Oh, deep house. Nope, not that. No, I want a bass. Bass. Now that's good. Alright, so now it should sound. Perfect. Alright, so now we're going to copy that. I probably could have made that just a little bit longer. So then. Okay, that sounds like shit. Hold on. Alright, we're just gonna. Fucking pyro beat. I don't remember what BPM this was. Oh, did I just find the BPM offhand? Okay, so apparently that's the BPM. Did not know that. Just trying to... Okay, sorry about all that. So now, I'm just gonna name this Pico vocals, drag and drop, and I specifically have a couple of different things for this. So I'm going to get Pico. I think it's Pico. I'm going to get Pico week 8. We'll just use week 8 for this example. So got all this. So, God, hold on. Mouse. Work with me here. Did I find a bad spot or something? Okay, there we go. Okay. So, you're of course going to want to wait a bit. Like the beginning settle in. And then you want to start off slow. And one thing to always remember, unless you're doing a freestyle, if you're doing something long like this, you want it to be a longer noise, not a bep. You want it to be like this. So then you can do stuff like that. Do not just cut this thinking it's going to sound better, because the problem is it's going to cut off right there. And it sounds smoother if you just have a long note right there. And then one thing I always like to do, especially like in the beginnings, is to like have something more raspy. So and then for like a freestyle right here. You know what, screw it. I think it's, I'm trying to get the yeah, that's what I was looking for. Alright, this is the voice line. Not voice line. This is one of the melodies for Even Hotter. And it's like a really good one for Week 8 Pico because he doesn't have very many fast parts. It's very obvious that it's not really like really intense songs. But Week 8 Pico's kind of like a middle road kind of thing. Like you don't use him for really intense sections. So for things like this, you probably want to start off with some long notes like I showed you, and then you get into here, and then like I recommend kind of starting with something like that, and then you can just kind of I think to be careful. Alright, so like you can kind of just do that kind of thing. And like there's that. One other one I like to use, there's two other ones I like to use really. I'll pull them up because they're kind of notable. I don't know that I'll like link these, but I got them from by the way, this is a really good thing to use. I don't want to undo that. Oh shit, I did not mean to do that. I did not mean to just delete that. Okay. Pico Scream. This is the Philly vocals. Specifically the ones that are used in Purin. So the problem with Philly's vocals is that there's a lot of notes that like they have a hold that just gets slightly cut off with the average note. So what you're gonna want to do is just kind of do stuff like this. These are always a freestyle. You always want this for intense sections. So stuff like that. And then there's Whisper Pico, which is also Philly, I think. I don't remember. I haven't listened to any of the Pico songs in a while. I probably should re-listen. One thing I like about I like to do with him is you don't really make him have quick succession nodes. And then I always like to have like these two noises because there's twice in the chromatic. Like you can, and then it's I like to have them in there. So now if we listen to the whole pattern all the way from start to finish. Now these would all sound good if they were not put together. So notice how right here, this. Now that sounds really good. That's because for house songs, it sounds really good. Or not house, more hip hoppy songs. Aggressive. Got drum beat in it. By the way, AVF Essentials Volume 2. One of the best sample packs I've ever had. Because it's my first, probably is one of the reasons I really like it. But there's just so much you can do with all this stuff. So nice. One other thing you can do is just download, like, literally any popular creator's FNF pack. Because, I mean, I use Fight or Flight stuff in a song I'm working on, so like, yeah. This is kind of just like the main guide for it. You can kind of apply this to Darnell's. I have a sound font for him. Hold on. Darnell sound font. Open. Alright, let's Darnell vocals. And then we can just put them down here so we can disable Pico. And then drop, E-drop. Drop. I swear, I must have had something different. Or maybe it's just because it's not like, you know, the same BPM. I'm trying to recreate Pyro's vocals. Okay, screw this. And then now it sounds like this. And that's kind of a guide for like everything to do with all this. Now, keep in mind, I am not the best producer in the world. I feel like I'm decently good at atonal chromatics. But, like, I don't really shine here. This is not my main thing. while I'm here, I will give you guys a little bit of a preview for triple double slouch mix. Do I? No, I'm not gonna save it. Just wait for it to load. It's gonna take a little while. I'm not cutting anything out of this video, so you guys are just gonna have to wait. Yeah, this is taking forever. I have a lot of shit going into this. Another guest. Oh, come get me. Oh, it's almost done. The C game editor is always one of the last things to be loaded. I wonder how well this is gonna run with me recording. Because, like, I cannot stream or, like, even share my screen if I have Z game editor open. It just does not run. Taking a while to load there, Maximus. There we go. Ooh. I don't have the best computer, but this is just... Alright. MT Power Drum Kit. Best drum kit if you're looking for something, like, decently rockish. I really like it. I don't really have any complaints. It works well, especially compared to perfect drums, which is what, like, Marstar Bro uses, or at least he used and you can't run. And it sounds like... Oh my god, that sounds horrible. Hold on. Hold on, I gotta... Gross beat... Effector... Okay, that doesn't sound right. Hold on. I don't remember. Is it here? It's right here. Yeah, sounds pretty good. Anyways, so a little bit of a thing. So I'll just give you guys a little bit of a preview right here. Yeah, that's all you're really getting. Mostly because my computer's looking like it's about to fucking explode. So, yeah. But, yeah.